Shashank Murali is a seasoned quality assurance specialist based in Minneapolis, Minnesota, with over 8 years of experience in the medical device industry. With a degree in biomedical engineering, he has earned a strong reputation for ensuring product safety, regulatory compliance, and operational excellence. His expertise spans risk management, product validation, and quality systems implementation, making him a trusted contributor to leading medical device companies. Known for his meticulous attention to detail and innovative thinking, Shashank Murali is dedicated to enhancing product reliability and patient safety. He continues to grow professionally and is respected across the industry for his insights on best practices in quality assurance. In this interview, Shashank Murali shares highlights from his career journey, the challenges he's faced, and his vision for the future of medical device technology. I've always been passionate about both technology and healthcare. The idea that medical devices can truly change lives inspired me early on. Working in a field where I can help ensure these devices are safe and effective felt like the perfect intersection of my interests and skill set. One experience that really stands out is when I was part of a product validation project and we uncovered a critical flaw in the device. Fixing that issue made the product much safer and reinforced just how important quality assurance is. That moment solidified my commitment to this work and reminded me how much impact we can have on patient outcomes. The early days were definitely a learning curve. Understanding regulatory frameworks and mastering quality systems took time. Regulations are always evolving, so staying current required a lot of reading, research, and adaptability. But I welcomed that challenge, and it helped shape my approach to continuous learning. Integrity, precision, and constant improvement are at the core of what I do. Whether I'm working on a product or leading a team, I stick to high ethical standards and always aim to deliver work I can stand behind. I think those values are essential in a field where patient safety is on the line. Trust comes from being consistent and transparent. I make sure to communicate clearly, follow through on commitments, and address any issues as soon as they arise. Being approachable and collaborative helps too. People feel more comfortable working with someone who listens and values their input. I'm especially excited about the use of AI and automation in testing and validation. These technologies can reduce errors, improve efficiency, and increase accuracy across the board. It's fascinating to see how they're reshaping the development process and setting new standards for safety and reliability. I think we'll see a much stronger integration of digital health tools and personalized medicine. Devices will become smarter, more connected, and more tailored to individual needs. At the same time, I expect quality assurance processes to evolve and become more predictive, helping to identify issues before they even arise. Keeping up with regulatory changes is a major one. The rules shift quickly, and staying ahead of those changes is essential. It takes constant education and a proactive mindset to ensure everything we do not only meets today's standards but is prepared for what's coming next. One of my proudest moments was leading a validation project for a critical device. We implemented process improvements that significantly enhanced safety and performance. That project made a real difference for patients and helped raise the bar for our internal quality benchmarks. It's the kind of work that reminds me why I chose this path. Never stop learning. The medical device world moves fast, and you have to stay on top of new technologies and regulations. Also, find good mentors and build strong relationships. Surrounding yourself with experienced professionals can accelerate your learning and open doors you didn't expect. Mentorship has had a huge impact on my growth. I've learned a lot from those who took the time to guide me, and I try to pay that forward. I focus on creating a safe space for open dialogue, where mentees feel supported in exploring new ideas and tackling challenges head-on. I'm really interested in using AI for predictive risk management and validation. By analyzing large datasets, we can identify patterns and catch issues earlier in the process. That could transform how we manage safety and reliability across the product lifecycle. I look at real outcomes, whether it's improved patient safety, stronger compliance, or better performance metrics. Feedback from clients and peers also tells me whether my work is making a meaningful difference. Knowing that I've helped raise standards is incredibly rewarding. I want to be known for helping raise the bar in product safety and ethical practice. If I can influence others to prioritize quality, think critically, and act with integrity, then I'll feel I've made a lasting contribution. Staying ahead of new technologies is going to be an ongoing challenge. I plan to keep learning and stay curious. Embracing change rather than resisting it is key to staying effective and continuing to grow in this field. Regulation is a big one. Standards change fast, and it takes constant effort to stay compliant. But that challenge also pushes us to innovate and refine our processes, which ultimately benefits the entire organization. Leading a team to overhaul our validation process for a high-risk device stands out. We improved not just the product itself but also how we approach quality as a whole. It had a ripple effect on how we train, test, and measure success. I try to be approachable and supportive. Mentorship isn't just about answering questions, it's about listening, understanding someone's goals, and helping them grow through real-world experiences. It's incredibly rewarding to see others succeed and know you played a part in their journey. It's made me more thoughtful and reflective. When I teach or advise others, I revisit my own experiences and often gain new insights. It's a two-way street that helps me grow just as much as it helps the people I mentor. I break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps and check in with myself regularly. I also keep an eye on industry shifts and adjust my approach when needed. Staying flexible but focused is what keeps me moving forward. Creativity is essential, but it has to work within the framework of compliance and safety. I aim to find practical ways to apply creative ideas so they're not just interesting, but actually useful in solving real problems. Ethics are the foundation of everything we do in this field. Patient safety is the top priority, and that means our processes, decisions, and actions all have to reflect that commitment. Cutting corners isn't an option when lives are on the line. Through innovation, integrity, and an unwavering focus on quality, Shashank Murali continues to shape the future of the medical device industry. His dedication serves as an inspiration to current and future professionals committed to raising the bar in quality assurance.